Hello, hi. I'm back with part 2 of the Romantic Roses journal. In part 1 we put together this signature, decorated the pages a bit. So that's part 1, sewed round with the machine stitch. And part 2 is going to be the Stamperia Dream signature. So, and this one will be the third one. I explained all about this, how I'm going to put this journal together in part 1, and showed the 3 paper pads that I'm going to be using. So I'm not going to go over that again. I just want to show you how I'm putting together signature number 2. So I have already prepared some bits, and I have 3 pieces here still to do. These pieces here are for the cover. I haven't obviously put any of the pages together. The measurements and how I put the signature together is in part 1. This video today is really just about putting this one together, because there's no point in going over everything that I said in part 1. So I thought that would be the best idea, just to jump right in and do this. So I have some of the pieces, not all of these pieces that I'm using are from the paper pad. It's just pieces of ephemera from my stash. I hope we put that up like that. Just grouping it together. Yes, so I think this piece here in this butterfly is from 49 in Market. I did buy some of their paper pads, and you get pop out ephemera and embellishments with the paper packs. The other pieces, like these 2 pieces here, are actually from the Stamperia pack that I'm using. You get circles and tags and whatnot, but these little extra bits here aren't. So that's the cover done. Let's do these 2 circles. Let's get these put together. So is it that way maybe? Let's do it that way. Maybe that, like that. Oops, sticky fingers again. And the little butterfly maybe there. Yeah. So hello to subscribers, old and new. Lovely to have you here. And I hope everyone is well. The sun is shining today. It's Sunday. It's a bank holiday Monday, so I don't have work tomorrow, which is nice. I don't often post on a Sunday, but because of the bank holiday, I have got some extra time. So I thought I would just, and because I want to do this ongoing project, put that ticket down first. Yes, I wanted to get this on part 2. When I'm doing an ongoing project, I like to get the parts done fairly quickly. And these clusters will just be used to decorate 2 of the pages, which will be nice when it all comes from the, well, not all of it, when, whoops, there's a leaf gone. when it comes from the same paper pad. Which way round would that leaf go? Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, it makes it so easy, doesn't it? Just for everything to coordinate. Let's put that there. Yeah, so that's the final two. Oh, did we miss a ticket? Do you know, I thought maybe that was a bit bare looking. Will that come up? It's not quite dry. Yeah, we'll get that under there. You never told me I had missed a ticket. We'll get that under there like that. And then we'll just put some more glue stick on that. Make sure it's going to stick after me peeling it. That's better. That's a little more full. There we are. So that's two little, let's not put the lid on that. We're going to be gluing these in. So what I've done is I have just placed some of the things where I want them to be. When it came to these little bits, that's just a little, some of the words, a washi sticker, and I thought that would be nice there. So I've glued some of them down and some of them I haven't, because I wanted to show you that this again is just a piece of ephemera, a butterfly and a word from the Stamperia, and this is from the paper pad as well, that background. So we'll just get some glue on this. And once I've got everything in, I will take it to the sewing machine and sew around the pages again. Okay, so this is for this page and that's for that page. I'm going to put that up there, I think. And this little cluster I've put together with a tag, and I'm just going to stick round those two edges and just slip that tag in like that, so that it's a little, I don't know, would that be a pocket, or would that be an open cluster? I never know what they're called. I have no idea, but we'll just stick it there and there, and then that means that tag can just sit in there like that. That's pretty. And then this again is just a Tim Holtz ephemera, a butterfly, and that background piece is from the paper pad. We'll just get some glue on that. We'll put this one up here so that it complements the other side there. How easy is this? And look how gorgeous it is. So this one is a circle, and we'll just put that down there again to complement the opposite side. And the corner. Lovely. And then that's just a washi sticker and one of the words from the Stamperia paper pad. And again, we'll go down and up, and again we'll just do that side and the bottom. So there and there. I think this will be a really nice journal when it's finished, don't you think? And that's for that tag there. Lovely. Wonder if I should just stick that edge bit down because I can still get the tag in. Just put a little bit down that edge. That's it, because that was popping up. And we'll put that there. The words are lovely. A kiss to build, what was it? A kiss to build a dream on. Lovely. There we are. And what have we got here? Another one of these tag holders. And again, we'll do the side and the bottom. And put this one more in the middle maybe. The tag can go in. Again, I wonder if I should put just a wee little bit of glue there. And the tag will still go in, yes. That's better. A washi tape, a washi sticker and a word. And here we have a space for one of these, so we can either have laugh daily or follow your dreams, believe you can. We'll put this one up high so that we can see that nice decoration at the bottom. And then there's another washi sticker. Those washi stickers are nice. They're good stickers because they just sort of blend in. They're quite transparent, so they just blend nicely into the background, don't they? You don't see any borders. That would be as if it's actually on the paper. There's another one. And this one here. And then I think that's us full. How quick was that to put together? Because all that is just 3 or 4 pieces of bits and bobs, plus the bit from the paper pad. And it just makes an absolutely beautiful signature. So let's have a flip through it, and then we'll take it to the sewing machine and we'll see what we can do with the machine, with the stitching. So that's us. This little tag. It's really quite romantic, isn't it? These ladies are beautiful. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? And another tag here. And another one. Another lady. A little cluster here. And a lady. And laugh daily and a rose washi. Yes. So I think that is good to go to the sewing machine. And there we are, all sewn round, not without its problems. The thread ran out. Look, I think this is the first time ever I have used a whole spool of thread. So luckily I had another black. Yeah, so it ran out about here, and then I had to do a little join, but that's what makes it handmade, isn't it? The sewing, the machine stitching, it just makes such a huge difference. You wouldn't think it would, but it sure does. I just love it. I love to stitch round, I didn't think I would love the stitching so much, but there we go. So that's number 2. Goes along nicely, I think, with number 1. So it's coming along. That's how it will follow on. It's got a different sort of vibe, but still of the same sort of colour palette and whatnot. And number 3 will be quite soon. It's a little more muted, and I have the pieces ready to embellish and to zhuzh up a bit and get them going into the book, but that's for another day. And then the final part, the 4th part, will be putting them all together in a journal, and then I can start using it. Yeah, looking forward to that. So thanks for joining me today. That's the one we did. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, a thumbs up, and if you fancy a wee subscribe, that would be brilliant. Happy to have you here. It's great to see the subscriber numbers going up. And yeah, so that's me for today, and so take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.